Did you know that one part of your body is actually longer than how tall you are? It's actually your intestines. Your intestines add up to be about 22 feet long in total. But what exactly are they for? Today, we are going to learn about how our food is digested through our digestive tract. The first step is chewing our food in our mouth. This food then travels down to our stomach, which is full of acid. This acid breaks down the food even more, which takes around 2 to 4 hours. Next, the food travels through the small and large intestines, which can take up to 2 to 3 days. The small intestine absorbs nutrients and the large intestine absorbs water and creates waste, which we poop out. Let's get to our lab and see how our intestines really function. For this lab, you will need a bowl, pantyhose, a Ziploc baggie, food, and water. Because this lab gets pretty messy, it'll be helpful to have rubber gloves, paper towels, and safety glasses available. For this digestive model, we tried to include food from all of our necessary food groups. Carbs can be found in these crackers. We have grapes for our fruits, cabbage for veggies, and cheese for dairy. So let's eat! Place some crackers, grapes, cabbage, and cheese into the baggie. After all of that food, we'll probably be a little thirsty, so let's add in some water too. Once everything is in the bag, seal it shut and make sure there is no excess air. Now, let's mash up the food inside the bag, which represents us chewing our food. In our body, once everything is fully chewed, the food travels to our intestines. The pantyhose will represent how our intestines work. To transfer the food into the pantyhose, stretch the pantyhose over the opening of the bag. Make sure to do this over your bowl so that it doesn't get too messy. Once we flip over the bag, we can see that water is already starting to come out of the pantyhose. Now, we're going to squeeze the food through the pantyhose to see what comes out. In our body, our stomach actually squeezes in order for the intestines to push the food through. The liquid in the bowl shows what our bodies absorb, water and nutrients. The solids stuck in the pantyhose show what our bodies don't process, and what comes out as waste. Having a balanced diet allows our bodies to function properly. Eating a variety of proteins, carbohydrates or sugars, fat, vitamins, and minerals allows us to gain enough nutrients to sustain our bodies. Now we know how the body's digestive system works to process food, how different components get sorted, and how waste is created. Try different combinations of food and see how that affects your digestion. And as always, happy sciencing!